Top 10 Great Secrets of the Solar System. Astronomy is a fascinating thing. The more you learn about the universe, the more you realize there is to know. Discoveries often throw up more questions than they do answers. But the great secrets of outer space are not all hidden in black holes and far-off galaxies. Some of them are a lot closer to Earth than you might imagine. From the ice dunes of Pluto to Jupiter's luminous moon, the solar system is home to all kinds of elusive and mind-boggling phenomena. This list looks at some astonishing secrets of the solar system that scientists are in the process of unraveling. So, let's dive into it. 10. Strange things dwell in the clouds of Venus. The skies of Venus are teeming with strange and elusive things. Scientists say we can learn a lot from the clouds that swarm over our neighboring planet. Astronomers reckon Venus was once a lot like Earth. Its surface was covered in great lakes and oceans. But toxic gases and environmental warming scorched the planet. But perhaps, scientists wonder, was there once life on the nearby planet? And, if so, could that life have survived by ascending into the clouds, around 30 miles, 50 kilometers, above the surface of Venus? The temperature and pressure are said to resemble those here on Earth. 9. Space hurricane looms over Earth. In 2014, scientists noticed a strange vortex swirling high above the North Pole. The unusual spiral of auroral light measured over 600 miles wide, dazzling the skies for 8 hours before fading into the night. But, until recently, researchers struggled to explain what the giant patch of light was and why it was there. Now, physicists at Shandong University in China have managed to shed some light on the situation. Celestial whirlpools like the one seen in 2014 are created by showers of electrons ejected from the sun. 8. Methane points to life on Mars. Is there life on Mars? David Bowie famously sang about the prospect of aliens dwelling on the red planet. Now, we have evidence that there may be creatures up the. Astronomers have detected methane on Mars several times. The presence of the gas has led some scientists to speculate that life could exist on the red planet. On Earth, living organisms are the most common producers of methane. It would follow that it could be the case on other planets too. Every time new scientists find new evidence of Martian methane, they come one step closer to discovering if anything lives on our neighboring planet. 7. Ice dunes spotted on Pluto. The surface of Pluto is a strange and mysterious place. Scientists used to believe that the dwarf planet was soulless and barren. They reckoned the atmosphere was nowhere near thick enough for dynamic features to form. However, recent footage from NASA's New Horizons mission has proved otherwise. The photographs reveal that Pluto is teeming with fascinating geographical oddities. Dunes of frozen methane billow across the Sputnik Planitia plains. 6. Mysterious hum detected on Mars. When NASA launched its InSight lander to study Mars in 2018, nobody expected it to find the planet humming. But that is precisely what the spacecraft detected. According to InSight's readings, the red planet is emitting an endless hum punctuated by quakes and tremors. And nobody can figure out why. The craft is equipped with a high-precision seismometer and a range of detectors. Researchers say that data from InSight has already revealed an enormous amount about the planet's structure and magnetic field. 5. Methane rain on Saturn's largest moon, Titan. The largest of Saturn's moons has several unusual weather patterns. Apart from Earth, it is the only known body in the solar system where liquid rain falls on a solid surface. However, unlike Earth, the rainfall on Titan is infrequent. According to NASA's Cassini orbiter, there are areas of Titan that only receive rainfall around once every 1,000 years and instead of water, it rains methane. It might not rain often on Titan, but when it does, it pours. Meters of rainfall can come cascading down in one shower. If you like this type of content, so please subscribe us for more informative videos. 4. Europa, Jupiter's icy moon, might glow in the dark. A new study suggests that one of Jupiter's moons might glow in the dark. Researchers reckon that Europa could emit a greenish glow caused by the intense radiation from Jupiter's magnetic field. Europa is known for being coated in a thick layer of ice. The frosted moon faces an endless barrage of electrons. 3. Strange mass hiding under the surface of the moon. Beneath the largest crater in the solar system lies a giant hunk of metal, and no one is sure what it is doing there. The elusive mass is thought to be around 5 times the size of the island of Hawaii, nestled under the South Pole Aitken Basin on the far side of the moon. The crater is roughly oval-shaped, over 1,200 miles wide, and many miles deep. Scientists discovered the metal anomaly during a study of the moon's surface and gravitational field. 2. The mystery of rust on the moon. You are surely aware, iron starts to rust after long periods around oxygen and water. So you can imagine the surprise when astronomers discovered rust on the moon, using data from India's Chandrayaan-1 mission. At first, scientists were flummoxed by Lee's findings. How does rust form in a place without any oxygen? On top of that, solar winds subject the moon to an onslaught of hydrogen atoms. Hydrogen is known to give away its electrons, making it even more difficult for iron to oxidize. Rust on the moon should be impossible, and yet the evidence was beyond dispute. Then came the breakthrough. 1. Circumflexum Oumuamua, the solar system's first known visitor. In 2017, a giant cigar-shaped structure became the first known interstellar object to visit the solar system. The strange visitor left scientists scratching their heads as it hurtled around the sun at 196,000 miles per hour. Astronomers know that Circumflexum Oumuamua, whose name means a messenger from afar, arriving first in Hawaii and sped into the solar system from somewhere else in space. They reckon it measures around half a mile, 800 meters, in length and a tenth of that in width. According to NASA, scientists have no real idea of what Circumflexum Oumuamua looks like, what it is made from, or from where it